Hey my loves, welcome back to the show. You know, every week I come through with the vibes, and today, OMG, I have to talk about a mixtape that's been running up my speakers nonstop. It's from none other than Shoddy Shane, and it's called Dem Sinting. Now listen, from the moment I pressed play, I knew this one was strictly for the ladies. It's pure dancehall energy, sultry rhythms, smooth transitions, and that sexy island heat that makes you just want to whine your waist. Shoddy Shane curated this mixtape with intention. Every track feels like it was handpicked to celebrate us women, our confidence, our beauty, and of course our love for the dance floor. What I love most is the flow. You don't just get bangers thrown together, you get a journey. He starts with that warm-up energy. Songs that make you sip your drink, touch up your lip gloss, and feel the rhythm creeping in. Then the tempo builds, the bass gets heavier, and suddenly you're lost in the music. By the halfway mark, trust me, you're not sitting down. This is straight dance floor command. The sound quality is crisp, the blends are seamless, and you can tell Shoddy Shane knows his audience. It's the kind of mixtape that makes you feel sexy, powerful, and carefree. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, hosting a girls' link-up, or just needing to remind yourself that yes, you are that girl, this is the soundtrack. So ladies, do yourself a favor and run up Dem Sinting by Shoddy Shane. It's more than a mixtape, it's a whole vibe, a whole mood, and honestly, it's our thing.